Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have the part 3 of our 3 weeks road trip around Poland, where we check off 17 places from our bucket list. Manufaktura is one of the largest shopping, service and entertainment destinations in our country. It was opened in 2006. You can find here numerous shops, restaurants, as well as bowling alleys, cinema, climbing walls and museums. The Rose Passage is located at Piotrkowska Street and its author is the artist Joanna Rajkowska. All the walls in the courtyard of the tenement were covered with pieces of mirrors. The reflective mosaic brings the surroundings to life, and the mirror pieces produce seemingly mismatched and distorted images. However, it is only an illusion resulting from the broken mirrors, symbolizing the diseased retina of author's daughter. Personally, I liked Manufaktura better at night, when it quiets down a bit and all the lights and colors of this place wake up. The next day we are going to the Unicorn Stable. If this is not what you expected after a tram ride, this is the name of the local tram station. On 7th of June 2019, a unicorn statue made by Japanese artist Tomohiro Inaba was unveiled near the station. Over the last few years, the gloomy streets of Łódź have come to life with the addition of numerous brightly colored murals. The project to turn Łódź into an open-air permanent art gallery was initiated by the Urban Forms Foundation back in 2009. Piotrkowska Street, a representative street of Łódź, one of the longest shopping streets in Europe, is about 4.2 kilometers long. Łódź is called the Polish Hollywood, but mostly it is known for its textiles. The Central Museum of Textiles in Łódź is Europe's largest museum dedicated to textiles and the history of weaving. During our visit, we stumbled upon a display of antique textile machinery and looms. It is very noisy during the show, and it is hard to stand there for a long time.
Dzień dobry. Za 4 minutki zaczniemy pokaz. Salon, w którym Państwo jesteście, jest rekonstrukcją tkanin z przełomu XIX i XX wieku.
Not far from the Central Textile Museum is the Łódź Open Air Museum of Wooden Architecture. You can admire here the nearly 200 years old church made of large wood, summer villas and craftsman houses in which the working conditions of former contractors have been reconstructed.
Poznany w sposób następujący.
Jeszcze te okna, wszystko to było zamknięte, ta wilgoć totalna.
Jak mówię, życie było takie bardzo przyjazne, tak?
The MS2 Art Museum is located in one of the Manufactura buildings. We were lucky when we came on Friday, because the entry to the museum was free.
Композиционное единство – это Рим. Композиционное единство – это Рим. 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 Скульптура является частью Рима.
Ile już tu jesteśmy? Nie wiem. Ja pierdolę, ale bez sensu. Zwariować idzie od tego siedzenia. No co zrobić?
On our way to next stop, we passed many villages with some interesting names. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Bye bye.